Alright, so I pulled out my two Renogy 12 volt solar suitcases and wired them for 24 volts in series. So essentially 200 watt 24 volt solar panel system that goes into a Renogy Wanderer 12 volt or 24 volt solar charge controller. This is a PWM module, good for up to 10 amps. These are like, what, 18, 20 bucks ish for these guys. And got it wired into the power port on this boom box I made, running a 24 volt Kobalt battery, lithium battery. I just want to see if it works, but my problem is I just don't have a whole heck of a lot of sun to work with, but it's showing about 0.4 amps coming in, and this actually went up on voltage here. So it started like 23.7, now it's at 24.2. So I think it's working. This kind of, if I had a dead battery, I don't know if it'd turn it on. It says that these will turn on a lithium battery, but I'll have to reread the manual on here. But that would be really, really cool. And the good thing about these little guys is, it's a small system. You're not talking 30 amps of power here. This is just really, really small. Is that it's either 12 volt or 24. This one is a 12 volt regular lithium battery in there. This is a 24 volt one in here. And I could use this charger with either one, or hook it up to the truck, or whatever. But yep, there you have it. I got these solar suitcases a long time ago and just decided I'd pull them out. Be a heck of a trickle charger, isn't it? I still got that one hooked up to the pickup truck. All right, later. Thanks for watching, and have fun with something. Take your mind off things, and keep you from, losing your mind watching the news all day. Later.